Hey guys, what's up? Today I'll show you how to record your gameplay on PC or laptop completely for free with voice and no lag using an open source screen recorder called Voco Screen NG with no watermark, no time limit, basically nothing holding you back. Alright, let's get started. Download Voco Screen NG software from the link given in the description. Once it is downloaded, run the installer, complete the setup process and open it up. It might take a few seconds to load, and then this is what you are going to see every time you open this software. Now let's configure the settings for the best results. First step is to select what you want to record, such as full screen that records your entire screen. Great if you are playing in full screen mode. Then window that records just a specific window. Perfect if you are playing in windowed mode. Then the last one is area that lets you select a custom rectangular area to record. For most gameplay recording, I would recommend full screen mode, and if you have multiple monitors, select the one where the game is being played. Second step is to select the audio outputs you want to record. For example, in this case, I want to record audio from the game and the microphone. For that, I need to select those outputs, such as my game sound is coming through Realtek HD audio second output, and the voice recordings are being recorded using the microphone. So I am going to select them. For audio codec, select MP3. For smooth gameplay recording, set frames to 59 FPS if your computer can handle it. But if you are recording such choppy, try lowering the frame rates to 30 FPS. Then leave this checkbox unchecked. For format you can select either MKV or MP4. Both works well for me. But if one of the two works better for you, then select that one. I am going to select MP4. Now I recommend selecting video codec H.264 for the best balance of quality and file size. Then set this from 1 to 23 if you want the best quality. But remember that lower number means better quality, but bigger file sizes as well. Now if your recordings are lagging, then you can increase this, but doing this will also reduce the quality of the gameplay recording. Now skip this magnification feature for gaming. Then you can add a countdown if you like for up to 30 seconds before recording. I like to keep it at 3 seconds. In the next tab, you get to see the video file path where your videos are being saved. You can change this location by clicking on these 3 dots and selecting a different folder if you prefer. Next is the limit of free disk space in megabyte, which is set to 250 by default. I like to keep it at the maximum so that I can record gameplay videos with a peace of mind. But for longer recording sessions, make sure you have plenty of free disk space. Then you can leave all these settings as it is. Now if you want to record your face cam, you can connect your webcam or camera to your PC and it will appear here. Next, you can skip features like show click and hello, as those are more for tutorials and presentations. Then it features snapshot that can be used to take a screenshot. Now the last setting you must know about is called global keyboard shortcuts for starting and stopping recordings, pause and continue recordings, enable or disable camera recording, and take snapshot using the default assigned key combination, or you can customize it as you want. Now before starting the gameplay recording, here are some tips to make your gameplay recording even better. Close any unnecessary programs for smooth performance and do a 30-second test to check that the game audio and microphone levels are balanced. Alright, now we are ready to record some actual gameplay. Let us walk through the recording process. First of all, make sure that the Voco Screen NG screen recorder is not closed. You can minimize it if you want to, or you can keep it open. Just don't close it. Now I would recommend you to play games in full screen, and if you have multiple monitors, select the one where the game is being played. Then just open the game you want to record. Use the assigned key combination. By default, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus F10. Then the gameplay recording will start after a 3-second countdown, which will only be shown if you have set it up as shown earlier in this video. Also, this countdown is a good way to confirm that the recording has indeed started. Now play your game normally. Voco Screen NG is capturing everything that happens on your screen along with the audio you have selected. The recording will continue until you stop it, so don't worry about the time limit. When you are done recording your gameplay session, click the assigned key combination again to stop the recording. Your video will be saved automatically into your chosen folder, ready for YouTube or editing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.